Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
That was for you, Katie. Happy birthday. We wanted to give a shout out to one of our biggest fans. Today on Recipes Mania, Crystal will be making a recipe called spicy chicken and veggies. Enjoy.
Hey Kate, you're my best friend. I love you so much. I can't believe I've known you since I was 8. Where do the years go? Anyway, this video is for you. Love you.
Hi Katie, happy birthday. I hope you have the best birthday and this video is dedicated to you. So to get started, we have our chicken, which we seasoned with some pepper and garlic, and we have cooked that up in our pan. Alright, so we have all of our ingredients set up here. And I've noticed we have no cheese, which is unusual for our videos. Most of them have cheese in some form or another.
But not today.
Yeah. So what are we going to do next, Crystal?
Okay, now we're gonna take the lima beans, both
Alright.
cans, and we're gonna mix those in.
Alright.
We'll be right back. Okay, so we had to transfer casserole dishes because the other one, I swear, was getting ready to burst. So here we are with a bigger one.
Alright. So the lima beans are in and mixed through. What's next?
My favorite and Katie's favorite, the peas.
Alright, so we've got our peas here. And we'll add those in. Alright, so we have a nice layer of peas on. And our next ingredient is going to be the eggs, and we have 5 of them here. Alright, so we made sure to mix in our eggs really well. We didn't want to end up with scrambled eggs on top. That wouldn't be very good. And now we are ready for our chicken.
Which Renee has cut
Yep,
really well.
and
So
we're going to add that to the top. Alright, the chicken is on. Should we add some hot sauce, Crystal?
yep, Katie likes spicy food just like I do.
Yep.
And this video is dedicated to her. So we're gonna use the hot sauce right there.
Alright, the hot sauce is on.
Oh, guess what, Renee? The oven just beeped. Did
Yep.
you hear that?
Yep, I did. We preheated it to 375, right?
Uh-huh.
And how long should we cook this for?
We're gonna cook it for 20 minutes because we pre-cooked everything.
And we're gonna put some tin foil over it?
Yep,
Alright, and
So
should we leave
there's-
that on the whole time?
yep.
Alright.
Because we didn't put cheese, so nothing has to, melt.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you guys next time at Recipes Mania. And happy birthday again, Kate.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.